Jehu, whakalupalahi atu, ko ako koni lila vai e. Ko koleani lo vai e. Today we're going to learn do's and don'ts in Niue. These are some travel tips if you're planning to go to Niue after COVID. You go on a plane. Yeah.
What will it take to get to Niue?
3 meters. 1,000 meters. 99 meters. Wait. 3 minutes away. Yep, 3 meters away. And then 299. No, 2,089. 189 1,000 That's a juice.
Okay, what's one food that you two would like to eat in Niue?
Coconut. I would like to try the unga. I like eating a lobster. When you're driving back, people smile and wave. Mali mali moi alo. When you go to someone's house, remember to bring some food or a gift to share. Dominikai food. Here, Leani. Thank you, Connie, for my orange. Before you walk in someone's house, remember to take your shoes off and leave it outside. Leani, take off your shoes, please. Okay. When you walk in front of someone, remember to lower yourself and say, "Tulau," or walk behind them. Tulau, Connie. When you're talking to people, don't look them in the eye. They might think you're being rude. Ua mata ono. Don't whistle at night time. Niuean people believe that if you whistle at night time, you'll attract a ghost. Ooh. If you see one of the village dogs, they're not friendly. If they chase you, don't run. Koli alo. You can pretend that you're gonna throw a rock at them. Ahotapu. Sunday is a rest day. You're not allowed to do sports, swimming, not even anything. You can only go to church. When someone's doing a leongi, remember to take your hat off, especially if you're a boy. Each village have their own rules. Ask the locals if you're not sure. Remember to smile and wave and be friendly, but don't be friendly to the dogs in Niue because they bite. Remember to try the unga and coconut. They're delicious. These are some tips that you can do if you're planning to go to Niue. Thank you for watching this video. Whakawelahi koe kia.